Hey there, guys. So today, me and my dad, we were working on the boat. We were trying to get the transom out. All right. There's some of it in the trash already. That's what I'm doing. I'm picking it up. But you know, see, there's all that down there still. But you know, I thought about making a video earlier, but didn't know. Uh, so yeah, just cleaning up right now, and yeah, let's pick up all this wood. Um, so probably get this video out to you tomorrow. Nothing. Hey, Dad. You might want to have a shirt on. I'm making a video. Alright. Just don't come over here. So. Is this looking good, Dad? Does that look good? Oh. Yeah. So, pretty much just picking up wood chips out of the grass. Not much. I went and played baseball today. Nothing really too much today since I had a day off of school. But, yeah. Alright, so got all the wood put up and everything. Got it down to the curb, because the trash truck's gonna come tomorrow. Now I'm just picking up all the tools and stuff, and yeah, nothing too much to do. I mean, got my sunglasses, left them out here. Box cutter. Uh-oh. What was that? That wasn't needed. Whatever that was. Just all these little tools gotta be picked up. But yeah, that's how my day's been. By the way, there's my garage. Sticking them in the toolbox. And yes, we have a punching bag. You know, who doesn't? There's my future car. Pretty nice. I mean, not too bad. Probably go around here, see my dog here in a moment. His name's Bear. I think I've had him in a video before, but don't know. Haven't watched my videos in a while. So, yeah. Yeah, so I don't know what I'll be doing. So, yeah. Picking stuff in the garage right now. And, there's the pumpkin for Halloween. This is one that I was going to paint, but didn't get time to. So, yeah. Nice little neighborhood. And, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but hopefully it's not too terribly long, but I mean, I want it to be about regular vlog size, so maybe 10 minutes or so, something like that. Isn't that what a normal vlog is like? Comment down below, tell me. Hey, you guys should tell me if you want me to do another magic trick or something. I'll try. I mean, I'm trying to think of one. I'm gonna talk to one of my teachers that also does magic. I'm gonna see if he can help me figure out how to do this trick that I'm thinking of. And if he can't help me, which I'm sure he probably could, and if he can't, then I'm probably still gonna see if he can talk to one of his magician friends, which, let me just segue into this. You should go check out Bryce Magic and Stephen Bridges. Stephen Bridges, Bryce Magic, they're dope. Alright, they're cool. They didn't ask me to do this, but check them out, subscribe to them. They're pretty cool. Alright. So, yeah. Alright. I'm not doing very much. I think I got all the tools out, and, yeah. No, here's something. Is there anything else back here? Yeah. There's the screwdriver thing. See here. I think that is everything. But I'll take the scooter. I need to come up with a name for you guys. Let's see. I mean, I've got a group name for us, I guess. The Colin Clan. But I need, like, I don't know. If you guys can come up with something, put it down in the comments. Something. Alright, I'll sift through them, see which one I like the best. And then tell you the two or whatever, and you guys can vote on it. Alright, how's that sound? Alright, let's go. Looks like the boat's good. So yeah, let's go see my dog. Hey Bear, come here, buddy. So yeah, we're gonna go see my dog. His name's Bear. I think I said that before, but you know, whatever. Sit, bud. Hi. Hi, Bear. Say hi, Bear. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Good boy. So yeah, that's Bear. He's a nice little dog. He can be very dumb at sometimes. See if he can do his trick. Okay, Bear. Come here. Get up here. Get up here, Bear. Get up here, Bear. Come on, Bear. Come here, Bear. Get up here. 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 Well, I might have to have a tripod to get him to do it, but come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. I got him to do it. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. The good bear. Good boy. So yeah, that's his trick. You can jump up onto his house. Yeah. It's pretty cool. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. Alright. Bear. Want a leaf? Want a leaf? Alright. He's a good boy. Good boy. Yep. Where's your ball? Wanna play some soccer, bud? Wanna play some soccer? Come over. So yeah, that was Bear. Oh, he's not being camera shy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Up, down, down. Alright, Bear. So, yeah, I also got a haircut. Since... No, I think I had a haircut in the last video. The last video was a mix-up of a bunch of videos, so... You know, hey. Whatever. And actually, the last video is not the last video, because I'm about to put out another video. It's confusing. The life of a YouTuber, you know? So, it's fun, but can get very confusing. Yeah. So, I don't really know what to do. Don't really have anything to do, but I guess there's like a little vlog for today. And I guess since my picture is the epic face for an outro, I guess I can be like, I guess I can say, let's see, subscribe for more content, like this video, and keep it epic. See you.